Let's get it on. Select and make your first pick. Get it on. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Get it on. Choose and pick the best one. Get it on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get it on. Select and make your first pick. Get it on. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
What's up, guys? It's MekelKasanova back at it with another video. And in this one, I got a special package from a company called GPEL. And been talking to them for a while, and I'm glad that I've been able to broker this relationship with them because they sent me something that when I saw the concept of it, I thought it was super cool, and it's something I would definitely be interested in reviewing. So they sent me two packages. One was it's a lightning cable. The other one is a USB Type-C cable. So the cool thing about these, I'm going to go ahead and do this unboxing and basically show you something that's really cool about it is, and I love that they give you a thank you card. This is really cool. So the thing that's really cool about these cables, and I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate these to you guys, because this is what really sold it on me, because you know what, sometimes I can be clumsy and I'm prone to tripping over cables constantly, and you know what, cables can be costly, especially if they break internally and it's something really important. But the cool thing about these cables, now I'm going to show you about this, and this is a lightning one, so I can take my iPhone 7 Plus, I'm going to plug this in, right, so you guys can see it's plugged in, right, so boom, see? Do the same thing with my Note 7, or Note 8. Long day, and y'all see, boom. So what this is, these are magnetic release cables, similar in form, functionality, and design to the MagSafe. So basically, my magnet port is here, and it just connects. Take it off. Voila. So if I ever trip over the cable, my phone's not flying with me. The cable is. Same thing with this. And they're interchangeable. This is definitely something I see being very useful, and I'm definitely going to be using this in my day-to-day life, especially at work, at home, you know, in my car, because this is something that I think everyone could definitely use. A pull-away cable, a detachable magnetic cable, where you're not jeopardizing your phone or your device. I could plug this into, hell, I could, if I wanted to, here's another feature I could use this for. If I pull this out, say I want to charge my Nintendo Switch Pro controller. See, I just plugged it into the top, and I'm playing, and I don't want to, you know, have a cord dangling all the time when I'm done charging. There we go. It's plugged in. It's all set and ready to go. I could take it one step further, and I could do the same thing with my Nintendo Switch. I could plug it in, and let me show you guys that. So I could take that same cord, cable, right? Pull it out of here. I got my Nintendo Switch. Plug it in. Take that same cable. There we go. Isn't it cool? And it doesn't matter which way it connects. The fact is, it connects. And they're fast charging too. So you're not getting slow 2.0 speeds. They're fast charging. So USB 3.0. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below for you guys to buy these, because this is definitely something I think you should cop. This definitely gets the Kasanova seal of approval, and I definitely need to get more because, man, that's a game changer. That is a serious game changer, and I think it'll be a game changer for you guys. So if you guys want to purchase it, links to be down in the description below. And until next time, guys, I'll catch you in the next one. GPEL, thank you for sending me this amazing adapter and charger. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces wild.
You got the spotlight, girl, you demand all the attention. Starry-eyed, maybe I need a new prescription. I see you on top of me, I'm having visions. While you spin it around, I'm getting dizzy, baby. Drop and roll, hot like a